Folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 340 Sea Ray Sundancer, powered with this pair of 7.4 multi-port injected MerCruiser engines on a set of Bravo 3 drives. Great boat. Easy to move this if you want to take up into the interior if you so choose. It is in great shape. It's realistically priced. You know, condition is so important, and the condition on this boat is excellent. Running a pair of fuel-injected 7.4 engines. We're doing our signature startup video. So we're going to put the bilge blower on first. We're going to wait about 30 seconds. I did climb into the engine room earlier, as you can see my videos from when I did my engine video. Check the oil, etc. Made sure there was no fumes. So then to go to start it, you hit the button. You wait about 5 seconds for the fuel pump to prime. You hit the button. Fuel injection, wham, starts right up. Quick look at the gauges. Just idling along, 39 pounds of pressure. Nothing reading on the temp gauge because it's a cold start. 14.5 volts charging, and we got about 2/3 of a tank of fuel on that starboard side. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the port. Turn the key, take a quick look at the gauges. You'll see nothing reading on the temp gauge. Half a tank of fuel coming up a little bit. Nothing on the thing. On the oil pressure, there we go. We fire it up, wham, comes up to 40 psi, a little bit more than that. Real typical of drive leg trims don't work on the boat. We're used to seeing that. Boat of this size, you always run with the drives all the way down. But the engine room is clean. The engines fire up and start beautifully. It's what you would expect in a 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's typical of the boats that Pacific Coast Yacht Sales sells. We sell a ton of boats. They run great. We look through them. We're careful in everything that we do. And doing a startup video is so important because we know that the engines run in the boats that we're selling. We really appreciate you watching our videos. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, 30 years in business. Thanks for watching.